Today is exactly 3 months since I moved out, so we are going out for lunch to celebrate. And then after that, I'm going to the Metropolitan Theater para manood ng dance competition tel. And hindi niya pa alam na pupunta ko doon. It'll be a surprise. Quick outfit check. This one is thrifted sa Kalamba. Thrifted as well. Then this one from Instagram. Tapos yung chinelas sa Shopee.
Let's go! Ate Titi, fragile, fragile. Ate Titi, let's go!
Guess what came in the mail today? Yung Gcash card ko. Dumating na siya. This is the Arirang Gcash card. I think 2 years na expired yung Gcash card ko. So, ang ganda ng design. Very on brand. I have been feeling very sluggish this past week, and I am trying to make something good out of this week by making my weekends better. It's gonna be a busy night for me. It's actually already 8:42. I just had my everything shower. I feel refreshed. I did my skincare. I'm so happy about it. But I have a lot of things to do. Sabi ko, I'm on a ban from buying home improvement stuff. Pero kasi, yung shelf ko ng BTS albums is nag-tilt na siya pag ganun. Like, this is yung back ng shelf. Nag-ganun na siya. Kasi apparently, the albums are too heavy and I did not really think about it like that. Nung nilagay ko yung mga albums, I just thought, okay, it's aesthetically pleasing to look at it like this. So, ganun yung ginawa kong order ng album. And now, I think it's almost breaking. So, papalitan ko na siya. Bumili ko sa IKEA. Bumili ko ng Hillis. It's very famous, but I've been watching some videos na ang hirap daw i-assemble. So, this firstborn daughter will try. As a girl who likes to build stuff by herself, ayan, meron na akong isang pouch ng mga materials, yung mga excess kapag bumibili ako. So, ayan, I have some tools. I really don't know what to expect yung sa Hillis shelf. Kasi yung iba sabi maganda daw if may electric screwdriver for that, but I only have my manual problematic right hand. Anyways, I want to show you na hindi lang Hillis shelf yung binili ko. This is a green bath mirror shelf mix. When I was browsing at IKEA online, naka-sale siya. And perfect kasi wala pa naman akong mirror sa bath. This one I think is a hanging wall shelf. Whatever. Now let's get to building my Hillis shelf. I am done. Madali lang siya. Siguro kasi sanay na ako. It wasn't something na kailangan ng electric screwdriver flex. But yeah, my hand is all red now from all the screwing. Pero it's done. Wala na akong dapat patunayan. And bukas ko na ililipat yung mga albums doon. Kasi wala na akong dapat patunayan. Kaya akong bumuo ng shelf all by myself. All by myself. Okay, I still have to clean that up. Look. Yikes. And then after this, I get to relax. I'm gonna watch Ariel. I'm finished cleaning up. I-unbox ko na yung dalawa pang IKEA packages. Now. Tapos, I bought a bunch of screws. And then, the other one. This one I'm very excited about. Kasi, parang biro na ako proper mirror sa bathroom. Tada! Tada! Ikakabit na lang siya sa CR. And that is a tomorrow problem. Alexa, light off.
Okay.
Yes? You've been outside again. It's like I am not at home.
Good morning. So, while I'm drinking my calamansi juice, let's work on replacing the album shelves.